Hey guys, Chris here with a quick tutorial on Rubymine. So what's Rubymine? It's a protocol on AVAX that gives you 8% of interest every day as long as it runs. I don't know if you've heard of baked beans on the Binance Smart Chain, but it's exactly the same principle here. You've got a smart contract which is locked. That means that there can't be any rug pulls. The dev can't actually modify the code anymore. So it is safe. And on this contract, you're going to deposit your AVAX. So as you can see today, we're 5 days post-launch, and there's 18,000 AVAX. And every day, so you're going to compound your rewards 6 times per week, and then once a week you take your profit. So how you do this? It is based on this 6-to-1 system that I just talked about, which means that all the miners, because it's a mine of rubies, so all the miners are gonna collect their rewards every day, or not collect them, but take them and put them back into the mine. So instead of getting the AVAX and taking them to their wallets, they're actually gonna re-inject their rubies into the mine, and only once every 7 days they will collect their rewards. So the more compounding you do, the more rubies you have, and the more rewards you have the next day. So typically what I did is 5 days ago, I put in 2 AVAX into this project. On the first day, so after 24 hours, my reward was 0.2 AVAX. So it was actually a bit more than 8%. It was 10%. And what I did after 24 hours is that I took these 0.2 rewards and I put them back into my mine. And the next day I had 0.26 AVAX rewards after 24 hours that I compounded again into my mine. And today, after 5 days, after 4 days actually, because I compounded 3 hours ago, I had 0.35 AVAX to recompound. So as you can see, almost the double compared to 5 days ago. And now it's been 3 hours. Let me refresh. If I refresh, I already have almost 0.06 AVAX. So if you do this times 8, because they're 24 hours, 8 times, I will have easily 0.4 AVAX after 24 hours. Then I'm going to recompound. It will be the 5th time. Same tomorrow. And then on the 7th day, I should have about 0.6 AVAX that I'm going to collect by clicking this and put into my wallet just to secure it. So the way it works is that you're not taking back your initial investment, so that you know it's not a staking platform. You just put in your AVAX and then get rubies for depending on the number, based on the number of AVAX that you've put in. Every day you rehire after 24 hours, so it has to be manual. So set a calendar reminder. Every 24 hours, you just take your AVAX, you click on rehire, and they will be converted into rubies. It will increase the amount of rubies. The next day you will be paid more, so you have more rewards that you rehire again into your mine to have more rubies. So this every day for 6 days. On the 7th day, you collect your rewards by clicking here. So if I click collect, these rewards will actually go to my wallet, but it's not quite the time yet. And basically you rinse and repeat for as long as the protocol works. So as long as there are AVAX in the contract, because as soon as people will start collecting, it will decrease. But for now, it's been 5 days and it's only been increasing every day. And I don't think it will stop increasing before 2-3 months from now. So get in now to be able to compound as much as possible and to take advantage of this great opportunity. So yeah, the link is in the description. It's called Rubymine. Of course, it's not financial advice. Just put in the number of AVAX you're comfortable losing in case something happens, even though I really don't think anything will happen, but otherwise I wouldn't have invested my money. But yeah, just put in money that you can afford to lose. Like always, it's crypto. And yeah, do this strategy as soon as you've invested your amount of AVAX that you want. You set a calendar reminder for 24 hours after that. Repeat 6 times, and on the 7th day, you set another calendar reminder that tells you to collect. And that's it. So one action per day. It takes 10 seconds. It costs almost no AVAX to rehire and collect. And do this for as long as the protocol works. So yeah, that's it for me. That's it for this quick tutorial. I hope you liked it. Hope you got some value out of it. If you did, press that like button. I would really appreciate that. Thanks. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.